Hello, this is me again, Roja Briner, ang inyong alindog, liit lang ang katapat. Today vlog is I give watering my orchids, or we're gonna watering or give water my orchid. Ano ba yan? Nabubulol naman ako, I'm sorry. But before that, please hit the bell button and please don't forget to subscribe. Nalilito ako. Well, by the way, please don't forget to subscribe and tap the notification bell so you're always notified with my new videos. So I will show you how to give water or watering my orchids once in a week. Okay? So let's start.
Let's sing a song full of hope, full of pain. Why don't you sing along, my friend? For it's our last refrain. Forever young, ever strong, ever brave. Memories like this never end. No, they don't fade away.
Ayan guys, I show you how to put in the bathtub my orchids. I do it once a week. So once a week, I put my orchids here in bathtub. Ayan. So para to give watering, and I leave here like 20 minutes or 25 minutes with water. So para maging healthy siya and what do you call it? Blooming or what is nagde-German na naman ako. To keep more flowering. Okay, that's it. Okay? So, mga kalindog, I show you how to do it. Lande. Ayan. I put them all up here. And then, I give them water like that. You see? It's like they raining, you know? Because they love it. That's why you see everybody, all my orchid have a flower. You see, all flowering, all color, different color. You see, that's why I do it once a week. Even the what do you call it? The small orchid, they got flower because they like it. You see, watering once a week, they like it. Ayan, ganyan lang. And then after that, you leave here 20 minutes or 30 minutes. Let it here. So after 30 minutes, you need to drain the water and then put it back. Ayan. Ganyan lang. That's I'm doing every week to my orchids. I let them to be wet like that. Oh, you see? So it's like raining. Ganyan lang. You need to do it. That is them routine every week. I do it every Monday. Monday, I do it with them. I give them water. Ganyan. O, diba? Diba? Ang ganda nila eh. O, ayun o. Talagang yung mga flowers nila, o, they're so big. O, lalaki nila, diba? Tapos ito, o. Diba? Ganda. Ito maganda din siya. There we go. And this one, this color is like a cream. I don't know what kind of color is that. And these two. Ayan. That's, I have small also. And this is the one, the white cream. Ayan. So this is my all favorite orchids. Ayan. So that's it. Ayan. Hayaan ko lang siya dyan ng 20 minutes. I let them. Okay guys. So let us rest there for 20 minutes. Ayan, tulad ng mga halaman ko, ayan. At ang aking, ayan, elephant ears. Look guys, how big it's it now. Diba? Ang laki niya na, oh. Very big na. She growing so fast. Ayan, thank you. Thank you for watching. Thank you, guys. I hope did you enjoy or did you get some I hope did you learn something about my orchids. Okay, bye. Sorry. I'm eating chocolate. Bye. Thank you. Thank you. Bye.